everybody, it's Manoj. I've just come to India for my father-in-law's funeral. I have been magically tested positive at Mumbai International Airport. These all people are from the same flight as us, Virgin. Apparently Virgin let so many of these people on a flight who were all positive but were negative yesterday. Yeah? Can you please make some noise? I am here trying to get to my father-in-law's funeral. Sharmili, her father died 24 hours ago. We've rushed to get to India, and these people are screwing us over to try and get more money out of us. Please, can you help?
And don't get Tommy to scan properly.
This is just unreal. Yeah, I have done a lateral flow test. Yeah, I have done a lateral flow test that came out negative in front of all of these people, and they're saying that I'm positive. I want an independent test. They are denying me an independent test. Yeah, can you speak to anybody that you know that may be able to help? Please. Yeah, I'm trying to get to my father-in-law's funeral. We've been stuck here now for 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. Please speak to somebody at the BBC. Please speak to somebody at Channel 4. Yeah, this is a scam. Apparently Virgin allowed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 people onto a flight. Yeah, onto a flight. Yeah, we were supposed to be positive. There is nobody responsible here. It's a scam. It's a scam. It's a scam.
Turn the camera then.
They're gonna have to take our blood.
It's a scam. We are being scammed. We are being scammed. Trying to get to my father-in-law's funeral. Yeah? We had a negative PCR test in the